Hello dear, here I am going to explain you about ports, sockets and other components and connectors in this video. You will really like it. So let's discuss first of all this socket. It is CPU socket. What is it? It is CPU socket. We connect the microprocessor in it. Now, just I have to tell you about the components and sockets in ports. Now, it is RAM slot. Here we connect the RAMs, and these RAMs come in different voltages. And what kinds of voltage and RAMs are used in different motherboards, I will explain you in next videos. So please watching on my Nisar Ahmed channel. Now it is PCI slot. PCI slot यानी कि peripheral component interconnection. It is used for connect sound, line, TV, tuner, cards. It is AGP slot. AGP slot. Why we use it? To connect VGA card, graphic card, AGP card. Now it is 20 pins. It is 20 pins ATX power connector. You connect here the wires which are connected through SMPS. Now it is IDE connector. IDE connector means integrated device electronic. To connect PATA, ATA, IDE, hard disk drive and DVD. It may be one or two, but in new this comes less. Now SATA connectors are much used. These are also connected for hard disk. Now it is trigger to on the board, and we showed it in that condition when the board is dead and is not open, does not on the board. Then we short it by compressing or touching any two wire with a needle. Now it is jumper for CMOS battery, and CMOS battery is this. It sets the time in the memory of the hard disk and boards. Now it is jumper panel. Why do we use it? We will discuss about it later. Why do? Now it is a CPU fan circuit. It is CPU circuit, and we put the fan on the microprocessor by tying these bolts. After it, when the fan moves here, so the connection of the fan are connected with this. It is north bridge, and north bridge controls RAM and graphic. Now it is south bridge. Just see properly. It is south bridge. It controls BIOS. It controls BIOS and Super IO and controls SATA, ATA, FDD connectors, and also we call it ICH. South bridge also is known as the other name ICH, and north bridge is also named by the other name GMCH. If we connect south bridge and north bridge with another chip, then that chip is called PCH. Now further we discuss about Super IO, and here is ICs. Now see the crystals. Yeah, this crystal, and crystal, and this crystal. How are these used crystals, and what's the meaning? First we see LAN IC crystal. LAN IC crystal is 25 megahertz. It controls the LAN IC, LAN port. This, LAN. This. Other, we discuss and think about 14 megahertz crystal. 14 megahertz crystal. It controls clock IC. Maybe it control IC. Okay. And the BIOS chip may be of 8 pins or 32 pins. It controls the BIOS, controls all hardware information in data time. It has mostly 32 or 8 pins with the help of CMOS battery. Now there is one another connector. It is 4-pin connector. Advanced technology extended. Sorry. Okay. This connect SMPS. It has 4 pins and it has 20 pins. So these both are connected together. So it will be 24 pins. And now we see about few connectors. It is connector, this connector. So these are all fan USB connectors. Fan USB 1, fan USB 2, and one other thing we discuss you very frankly. Now you will see that here are the components, this kind components. Then it is the ICs. When IC will be denoted, here will be written U denotes the ICs. Now it is capacitor. This filters the current, and here are MOSFETs. This kind. Here is drain, here is source, it is gate. Okay, primary MOSFET, secondary MOSFET, this coil, and the work functions of the capacitors, ICs, and resistors. I will later discuss you in next video. Just watching on. And here is coil, capacitor, MOSFET, diode, resistors. Okay, and here is one again IC. So you have discussed your all things near about, and I will tell you now about the ports. These are ports. It is sound ports used to connect mouse and monitor. Okay, it is VGA port connect to screen VGA visual graphic adapter. This shows the screen what we watch on the screen. And here is USB port when you connect modem, DVD or USB by the connection of the USB, then we connect here. These are USB ports. It is LAN port when you take a internet connection, then that's connector is in the shape and you connect it here. And this is sound port, for example mic, speaker, DJ. It is sound port. So I think we have learned about a few things in this tutorial. Thereafter I will tell you later after just this video. Please share and watching and like, please.